And we are back for, for an unexpected part 2 of 2. This video again, this video as well, I should say, goes out to Corinthian. So we got her all cleaned out, we got her mostly bolted up. I just gotta put the bajillion screws in, and then we can test. So let's do that. We are back. Should be getting a picture any moment. But yeah, the phone rang and I instinctively answered it, and then that ended the recording for the first one, which became part 1. Alright, so we're just waiting for it to go through its things here. Waiting for the white light. Come on. Hey, there we go, and we are back. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment.